Hey guys, today let's solve Leetcode problem 3, the longest substring without repeating characters. Given a string S, we have to find the length of the substring without the duplicate characters. Here a substring is a contiguous non-empty sequence of characters within a string. Let's solve this problem with this given example. The first thing which comes to my mind when the problem says duplicate or unique element is, using a set, we can keep track of unique elements using the set. Let's have two pointers, a left pointer and right pointer. We can we can expand our window using the right pointer. When we expand, when we expand, we can just add the character into our set. Here when we encounter a duplicate element, we have to remove the duplicate element from the set, as well as we have to shrink the window and then do the same process. Right pointer to the next, left pointer, and then shrink the window, and then make sure to get the duplicate element out, and then still we have a duplicate element, so move the left pointer, and again we have a valid substring, and we should maintain a variable maximum length so that we can find the maximum length of the substring. Let's keep track. So here, even we shrink the window, we don't get rid of the set, so we have to move the left pointer again, and then move the right pointer, until L becomes R. I think I forgot to mention how to find the window length. I will write the formula over here. So window length is actually right minus left plus 1. For example, here right is 2 and here 0. So where the window length is 2 plus 0 plus 1 is actually 3. Let's code now. First let's initialize a left pointer, and then to keep track of the longest substring we can initialize it, and then we can initialize a set. So we can have a R pointer starting from left to the end, and while the window is invalid, that is the uh, character at the R pointer S of R is already in the set. We have to remove it, and remember we have to uh, expand our window. And while S of R is not in the set, we can find our window length using the formula R minus L plus 1, and we can update our longest, and then while it is not in the set, we can add it, and then we can return it the longest. That's it.